Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see that we have the same wallpapers on our device home and lock screen, and now just to change one from these wallpapers, we should open the settings application and tap down here on the personalizations. After that, click here to wallpaper section, and now we can select any new wallpaper from the static and live default wallpapers, or also we can use the albums, for example the just previously on our camera taking photos or downloaded from the internet. I'll use this one for example. Click here to apply, and we wanna change the lock screen of our device. So let's just check it and see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper here. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the screen, and after that tap on the left down corner to wallpapers icon. After that we'll select we'll launch the same settings. So just let's use this wallpaper. Click here to apply, select again the lock screen, wait a second, and now we can see here that the wallpaper is successfully changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.